Okay guys, I have a 2021 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. You're going to be using this and you're going to be looking at this spot right here. So we're going to press the home button first, scroll down to maintenance, and then you're going to press this in. And then it says oil life 20%. We're just going to hold this in. And then you can change all the items. So we're going to do A only because the maintenance reset is A1. And now it is 100%. So that's how you do it. And you can also go home, settings, go down to vehicle, maintenance info, and select reset items. You can do all do items, oil filter, tire rotation, air filters, transmission fluid, spark plugs, engine coolant, and brake fluid. So here we're going to do the oil and filter and reset it. So that's how you do that.